Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how we can count the number of times a word appears in a dataset. I have a dataset about employees with several records, and I want to find out how many employees belong to each department. So my column of interest today is column C, which has department names. And the task I have is to know how many employees belong to each department. So to begin with, I have to first extract out the distinct names of departments. To do that, I've created another column here called unique list. So in the unique list here, I'll click in this cell, I type equal signs, then I type unique function. Here in the unique function, I have to specify the array. But my array is the range of department names in the department column. So I come and select the first cell, then I press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow, select the whole column. Then I press F4 to fix the range. When I press F4, it fixes the range by making it absolute. In this case, it means that when I copy the formula and paste it in another location, the address remains intact. After that, I have to put a closing bracket and press enter. Here I get distinct department names. After getting the distinct names, now the task is to know how many employees belong to each of these. To do that, I created another column called counts. I come here and select in this cell, I type equal signs, then I put COUNTIF function. Inside the COUNTIF, here I also have to specify the range. The range remains the same, so I have to come to department column, I select the first cell, then I press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow. Again, I have to fix the range. I press F4 to fix it. Then I come back. After fixing the range, I put a comma, then I specify the criteria. This condition is the one that will help me now to count the number of employees per department. So the first criteria or the first condition is this finance department. So I select this cell, then I close the function. I press enter. I get the number of employees that belong to finance department. To get for other departments, I come here, I put the pointer on the fill handle, then I drag down to do the autofill. Here I get the number of employees per department. Similarly, if I want to know how many males and females I have in this dataset, I can come here, I again use the unique function, then I specify the range. Now I'm going to use the gender column. I select the first cell, then I press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow. I fix the range by pressing F4. I close the function, then I press enter. I get the unique values in this gender column. So after that, I come and now determine how many males are there and how many females are there. So I come here, I put equal signs, then I type COUNTIF function. I again specify the range, so I come to gender column, I select the first cell, I press Ctrl, Shift, and down arrow, select the whole range, I press F4 to fix the range, then I put a comma and specify the condition. The first criteria is male, then I close and press enter. I do the autofill to get also for females. So here, I have 26 employees that are male and 24 that are female. Let us stop here for this session. Hope you have found it useful. And if you are new to the channel, kindly support by subscribing. For returning subscribers, I thank you very much for always coming back to check on the new uploads. Like, comment, and share. We meet in the next session.